It's a lovely autumn day, and Peppa and George are getting ready for their Halloween party. First, they scoop out a pumpkin to make a lantern. Then, Mommy Pig fixes a candle inside and lights it. "Oh, lovely," says Peppa. Mommy and Daddy Pig help Peppa and George put on their costumes. Peppa is a witch and George is a dinosaur. "Hee hee hee," Peppa cackles. "Very witchy," says Mommy Pig. "Dinosaur," grrr, growls George. Peppa and George's friends have arrived. Everyone is wearing a spooky Halloween costume. Suddenly, what they hear a howl. "Oh, what was that?" asked Peppa. "Only me," says Danny Dog. "I'm a werewolf." Peppa notices that Emily Elephant has a green face. "What are you, Emily?" she asks. "I'm an alien, blob, blob, blob," she replies, laughing. "And Edmond is a ghost. Actually, I'm a paranormal apparition," corrects Edmond. "That's a clever dog's ghost." Daddy Pig appears at the door. "Welcome to the party, everyone," he booms. "Come and have some pumpkin pie." Inside the house is decorated with balloons, cobwebs, and hanging toys, but even Madame Gazelle has come to Halloween party. "Hello," says Susie Sheep. "I'm come as a vampire." "Ah, a vampire," says Madame Gazelle. "That reminds me of home." How strange, Madame Gazelle doesn't seem to have a reflection in the mirror. Daddy Pig puts on some music for everyone to dance to. "I love pumpkin parties," Peppa shouts. "I love dressing up," says Susie Sheep. "Chop, chop, chop, chop," and everyone loves pumpkin pie, says Daddy Pig. The end. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe for more. Please have comments, like, and subscribe. Thanks, everyone. See you next time.